What's up guys, this is Balázs from Racing Brick. Valentine's Day is around the corner and I'm sure a lot of you wanted to buy a nice but LEGO related surprise, which is maybe a bit more affordable than this one. LEGO recently released the 10280 Flower Bouquet set, which seems to be the perfect gift for such occasion, and it truly is. So what's the problem? Well, it seems to be totally sold out, which is understandable a few days before Valentine's Day. Luckily there's a plan B. LEGO also has two other but more simple sets with flowers, the 40460 Roses and the 40461 Tulips, and you have a much bigger chance finding them in your local LEGO store or online. Depending on the preference of your significant other, you can choose one or the other. I took the Tulips. The set comes in this small and simple box. You can see the three tulips on the front and on the back as well, just from a slightly different angle. There are two unnumbered bags inside and the manual, no sticker sheet this time. The build itself is pretty quick. If you are in an emergency situation and you really need those flowers, they can be built in about 5 minutes. The end result is pretty nice. The size is comparable to real-life tulips. The stem is pretty sturdy and you get some rare lime pieces. Some of them are new, others were only available in the Lamborghini so far. But what if you think that the result is, well, not that impressive? LEGO's own bouquet costs 50 euros or dollars, and the set with the tulips is only 10 euros or dollars, so for the same budget you can get 4 additional boxes. Time to build those as well. So, this definitely looks more like a bouquet now. We only have 3 different colors for the petals, but this piece seems to be available in a high variety of colors, so a little bricklink hunting can get you some exotic variations. The tulips are highly customizable in other ways as well. You can remove the leaves if you don't like them, or cut the stem to be shorter. You can even use some parts from the Lamborghini to spice them up. Hey, it's LEGO, so the possibilities are endless. Oh, and the flowers have one additional advantage compared to the Lamborghini. The color variation that is easily recognizable on the stem looks natural this time. So, I think these tulips look great, and if you buy more of them, then you can assemble a very nice bouquet for any occasion. It is highly recommended. And if every set with flowers goes out of stock, then there's still another option with a matching color to express your feelings. That one should work for sure. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe and tap the notification bell if you don't want to miss my LEGO reviews and other LEGO RC videos. See you next time, bye bye.